All right, this is our automatic plant water. Here we have a soil sensor in the pot to determine the moisture content of the soil. And depending on if that's too low, we have a pump in this 5-gallon bucket to water it. And so the whole product that we would have is this box of components that you can put on the side of any 5-gallon bucket, and then drop your pump in and put your soil sensor in the soil of the plant, and then it will automatically water it. And so how the soil sensor works is it's giving us a reading on the moisture content of the soil. It's 492 right now. And if that goes under 300, then it's automatically gonna water. And we can simulate dry soil by removing the soil sensor from the soil, which leads the pump to start pumping and put out water, which if this were to actually be the final product, that would be in the plant, obviously, to water the plant. And we can see right there that our value is around 236 for the soil sensor, because I took it out that far. And then if we put it back in, then it will stop. The motor will stop running. Then the second part of our design is, are you showing the?
Broke again.
Oh, it broke. Okay. It'll work. Okay, the second part of our design is we have a distance sensor in there that reads the level of the water. And if the level of the water gets too low, like the bucket runs out of water, so it's not going to be able to water the plant, then we have a buzzer go off, and we're going to simulate that by lifting it up. And there's the buzzer going off because the water is too far away. And so if this were to run out of water, the buzzer would be going off, letting us know that we need to refill our bucket with water so that the system can work for around another 2 weeks. Our steps from here are we need to figure out how to delay the pump so that if the soil is too dry, it doesn't just keep putting out water until it reads too high. And that's our main step from here on. And finalizing just some of the product things, like putting the end of the hose into the plant. Those are our main further steps. And here's our code. I want to scroll through that. Do you want to explain that?
Yeah, so we've got a bunch of variables up here, pin setups, and then some printing stuff. We're just reading the moisture sensor, and then the distance sensor, setting a time. I don't know if that's how we're going to delay, but that's our initial thought. And we're just reading if the moisture is less than 300 and the bucket is not empty, then it's going to pump. And that's just a safety so that we'll make sure we're not running the pump dry. Then this is setting up the empty stuff. And if it's empty, we're just beeping the buzzer.
Awesome. Yes, that is our automatic plant waterer. Thank you so much for watching. This is Owen Eicher and Isaac Schmidt.